What's up everybody, it's Sean here and I am back today to give you guys a review of the Dragon Ball Z collaboration with Adidas on the Yung-1 model in the Frieza colorway. These dropped on September 29th for $150 and I believe it was $230 Canadian, but if I am wrong, definitely correct me in the comment section below. The official colorway for this shoe is Cloud White, Unity Purple, and Clear Lilac. So my fiance won me another raffle, this time through UK retailer Ed. Including duties and all that stuff, it ended up being about 290 Canadian dollars, which wasn't too bad at all. So this shoe released alongside a Goku version of the ZX500RM. As part of a greater collaboration between Adidas Originals and Dragon Ball Z, there's going to be a ton of models dropping in the next few months. To be honest with you guys, I was never a huge fan of Dragon Ball Z. I did watch it from time to time after school, but I wouldn't say that I'm a hardcore fan of the show or the manga. I am, however, a fan of the Yung-1 silhouette, so when I first saw pictures of the entire collection, I knew that this is the one for me. So before we go into more detail about the shoe, here's a quick look at the box. So this is a special edition box. At the front, we have this Adidas Originals and Dragon Ball Z branding in the Dragon Ball Z font. On one side, we have the Dragon Ball with this Adidas trefoil logo inside, and then we have a picture of Frieza. And then on the other side, here we have this image so you can see Frieza and the bottom half of Goku. And the cool thing about this is when you combine all the boxes together and stack them up, it forms one complete and combined picture. As I slide open this box, so you can see that the inside of the box is lined with the graphics of all the Dragon Balls, and then it comes with this special edition Frieza and Goku printed paper. So as for the shoes, so the Yung-1, as I've mentioned before in my other videos, the Yung-1 is definitely one of my favorite silhouettes to come out from Adidas in quite some time. It is a very chunky silhouette, and it is what people are calling these days a dad shoe. As we take a closer look at the toe box, you can see that the base of the shoe is constructed using this white mesh. Overlaid on top of the mesh, here we have this clear lilac suede. And then overlaid on top of the suede, here we have this purple colored 3M. You'll see right in the center, we have this red colored plastic piece that protrudes out of the shoe. Moving on to the lateral side of the midfoot, near the top where the eyelets are, here we have this off-white colored suede, and then underneath this we have the Adidas 3 stripes. This is done in white nylon with an underlay of purple. And then at the very bottom of the mid panel, once again we have another hit of off-white colored suede. On the medial side, so this is a little bit different, so at the very bottom, instead of that off-white colored suede, here we have this very vibrant pink colored overlay. So this sort of feels like corduroy, but I suspect that it's a type of suede with this added texture found throughout. One thing I did notice is this bright pink piece right here. This does rub off onto the other parts of the shoe, so be careful. Moving towards the back of the shoe, so here we have white colored suede along with off-white colored suede at the top, and then on either side we have these protruding purple nubs that resemble what's found on Frieza's shoulders and chest. As for the tongue, so the bottom half is made out of white mesh, and at the very top, here we have this overlay of purple and white suede, along with the Adidas logo right in the center. On the back side of the tongue, this is not very visible as it is also done in purple, but here we have this image of a Dragon Ball with 2 stars. Overlaid on top of the tongue, we have your standard flat white laces. The inner liner of the shoe is done in white, and then taking a look at the insole, so these come with a themed insole with the Adidas Originals and Dragon Ball Z branding on the heel. So the upper of these Frieza Yung-1s sits atop this super chunky full-length foam midsole. The frontal half of the midsole is white, and the back half is purple, and they feature these intricate cutouts found throughout. Flipping these over to the bottom, so here we have your standard Yung-1 outsole, so this is done in a combination of purple and lilac. On the forefoot, you can see there's this arrow-shaped traction pattern. On the bottom heel, we have this Adidas branding, and then found right in the center, we have this torsional support piece, and this is done in this hot pink color. In terms of sizing, so my feet measures as a true size 10, slightly on the wider side, and I picked these up also in a size 10. For some people, they do recommend going down a half size, but I'm perfectly fine sticking true to size and having a little bit of extra room around the toe. So if you're okay with that, sticking true to size should be fine, but if you do want more of a snug fit, then you can definitely go half a size down. Comfort-wise, so the Yung-1 is surprisingly light, and it is very comfortable. This super chunky midsole is quite soft and it feels very nice underneath your feet. So with all that being said, now let me lace these up and I'll show you guys how these Frieza Yung-1s look on feet. Overall, I gotta say that these ones are my favorite of the Dragon Ball Z and Adidas collection. There's something about putting those really loud colors of Frieza on this super chunky and intricate looking shoe, and in my opinion at least, this simply just works. So let me know in the comments down below what you guys think of these Frieza Yung-1s. If you guys like this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Give me a follow on Instagram at esgo8, check out my Twitter at sean.go, and visit my website at seango.ca. So until next time, thank you guys so much for tuning in, thank you for the continued support, and I'll catch you guys in my next video.